Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of this great little condo located in Casa de Soledad. It's upstairs unit, 1 bedroom, 1 living room area, kitchen. It's 553 square feet. HOA is 108 a month, and that does cover the exterior, the roof, trash, and water and sewer. So let's go in and take a look around. Thank you for taking this tour of 3901 Sonoma Springs, Unit 1504. Again, cute little 1 bedroom, 1 bath unit. You know, you got this great laminate flooring, nice little kitchen. It's turnkey with washer, dryer, blinds. Again, HOA fee is $108 a month, and that covers the roof, the exterior stucco, water, trash, and sewer. Cute little place, has an incredible pool and weight room and everything. So give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandlascruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.